Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Afina binti Zainuddin. In this video, I will show you how to do parameter estimation using solver in Excel. In this project, I have three mathematical models. The first one is model 1, discrete formulation. Model 2, ordinary differential equation with one parameter. I solve it using SI method and also range kata order form method. And also model 3, ordinary differential equation with two parameters. So firstly, let me start using Model 1 discrete formulation. So from the data collected, the initial population is P naught equal to 50. At the right hand side is my data that I get from my experiment. And here is equation 3.3 and equation 3.4, where equation 3.3 is Pt is equal to K power of T times P naught is the general formulation of discrete formulation, which K is the parameter that we need to estimate using solver. And equation 3.4, Pt is equal to 0.6687 power of T times P naught, where 0.6687 is roughly estimate using decreasing rate. So firstly, we have before parameter estimation and also after parameter estimation. So before parameter estimation is equation 3.4, where we already roughly estimate. So let me put here 0.6687 and we put the formula here. So equal to, for equation 3.4, before the parameter estimation, 0.6687, we click this, power of T, where T is our years, times with P naught is 50. Then click enter. You can do one by one, or I just drag until the 8th iteration. As you can see the value here, this is because the cell keep changing. So to make it not changing, for value of K and value of P naught, I will put $sign to lock the cell at E9 and also F7. So I put between E and also 9 and also F7. So enter. So drag it again like this. So you can see the value only on the T is changing, but at the K is not changing. K and population is not changing. So I want to count the error using the formula of sum square error. So equal to theta minus width before the parameter estimation, power of 2. Enter. Okay, for this you can just drag until the iteration, or you can do one by one. So the formula is this one, 28 minus 33.435 power of 2. So I want to calculate the total sum square error. The formula is equal to sum, and then drag the error, then click enter. So you can see here the total sum square error is quite high, 261.0277. Our aim is to minimize the total sum square error by changing the parameter of K. Alright, for this table, I have done exactly same like before the parameter estimation. So I just do it at another table so we can compare before and after the parameter estimation. So you can see the formula is also same, but I'm using here 0.6687 power of years times with P naught. So same goes to error and also total sum square error. So here we want to use solver. So firstly go to your tab and then select data tab, and solver is in the analyze group. So click solver. Okay, first you will see the set objective. Set objective, or we call it as target cell, is the cell that we target to change. So in this case, we target to change the total sum square error. It's already here. We want to change the total sum square error. For 2, we can choose either maximize, minimize, or we can set the value. In this case, we want to minimize the total sum square error. So we click on minimize. By changing variable cell is the parameter that we want to change. So we select the parameters key. Okay, so, and then we click solve. And then okay. So here is after the parameter estimation. So you can see here the total sum square error has decreased from 261.0277 to 22.1141 by changing the parameter. You can see here is 0.6687 and here is 0.5293. To make it more clear, I will insert the graph. So go to Insert tab. So I choose Chart, Scatters, select the data. So remove here. So I want to do the graph for data before and after the parameter estimation. So we select the series name first for the data experiment. The X value is years. Y value is the data experiment. Then we click OK. Add again the series name before parameter estimation. The X value. Y value here. Then we click OK. And lastly, after the parameter estimation. And Y value. Then we click OK. Then OK. Then I add chart title and also legend. Change it into like this. So the title of this graph is parameter estimation model point discrete formulation. Okay, and then I want to change the type of chart. So for the data, since we do the data, we gonna use scatter plot. Before and after, I will do the line curve. Then click OK. So you can see here, the dark blue color is the data. The line curve for gray is after the parameter estimation. And the line curve for orange color is before parameter estimation. So you can see here, the line curve for after parameter estimation, the gray color, is the best fit for our data compared to the before parameter estimation. Thank you.